You don't wanna, come on. Tapos guys, if you want to download or buy the music, just check the pre-save link na pinost ko. Nandun na lahat. Makikita nyo din yung social media accounts ko. Nandun na rin yung link for all the music platforms na uploaded ng music ko. Just save the link. Just check the link. Yun, nandun na siya lahat. Maraming salamat. Ano ba masasabi ko sa Laon? Basta sobrang... Oh my God! Tapos ang Kalakal, 100 million streams na sa station head. Woo! Damn, man! That's a lot of streams, man! Saka naman makakita ng 100 million streams, man. Support Kalakal SB19. Tapos malapit na rin ang concert ni Josh Cullen, man. Ang daming ganap ng SB, potek. May concert Josh Cullen. May mga ganap pang mga solo. Tapos may Dunkin concert. Ayan. Malapit na yung anniversary na naman namin. Naku po. Practice. Let's go! Visit Bicol. Kanta ka always. Baby, you'll always be space for you and me. Right where you left it. Payaman, Team Fair, Team TV Fair. Gusto nga mag-perform dun eh. Baby, all the time will pass. Pull it back and laugh. Don't just forget it. Gusto ko mamit si Malupiton eh. Dang, man. Napaka-idol ko yung batang yun. Bata talaga yun. Mas tanda naman ako sa kanya. Sobrang na-inspire din ako sa kwento ni Malupiton. Kung kilala niyo si Ninong Rai, meron YouTube channel si Ninong Rai, special guest niya si Malupiton. Nabilib talaga ako sa story niya, man. Tsaka yung Colocoys TV, man. Salute! Bossing! Panoorin niyo yun. Sobrang nakaka-inspire. Naiyak nga ako eh, man. I felt him, brother. I felt it. Panoorin niyo yan, ha? Panoorin niyo yun. Malupiton. Anong timestamp nun? Pero nagluto sila dun ng steak. Ow! Pablo, patingin jersey. Patingin ang jersey, yes. So, yeah. The jersey is this. There's EDSA written right here. There's an ape wearing a helmet on the sides. May breathable dito mesh. Tapos ito parang hindi ko alam kung anong texture nito, nakalimutan ko. Tapos makikita nyo dito meron siya logo ko, EDSA Pablo, one size fits all. What's written here? Always remember there is someone waiting for you. Ride hard, ride safe. Damn. Ride hard, ride safe. EDSA merch, abangan nyo sa October 1. Tapos makikita nyo yung logo ko dito. Tapos sa likod, number 18 yan. Tapos sa likod, Pablo, yan. Siyempre si Pablo ko eh. Hello. Ano pa ba? Wala. Men, ang request ko talaga sa uluhin yung kanta kasi I feel so hype whenever you guys sing with me when I perform on the stage. Talagang nararamdaman ko yung awit, lalo na kapag kinakanta nyo with feelings. I know it's nice to take a video when you're in a concert and all for memories, pero maganda ma-enjoy nyo rin yung music and makasabay kayo sa akin. Lalo na may mga part doon na gusto kong sabayan. Samit siya, pero yung part doon, yung bridge, pakinggan nyo. Gusto kong masabayan nyo ako doon. Yung bridge hanggang dulo, sabayan nyo ako doon. Sana ba? Yung you don't care, maganda rin, masabayan nyo. Meron mga parts na gusto kong unison tayo kakanta. Kahit wala kayo sa tone, ayos lang. Hindi naman, wag lang kayo nasa harapan kasi pag nadinig ko. Ano ba? Aralin nyo lyrics my God. Kahit yung rap, wag nyo nang sabayan. Kasi baka magulo. Pag lahat tayo kumanta na rap, GG tayo dyan, man. Ano bang meron sa photo ko na may headpiece na sheep? Abangan nyo na lang, men. Huwag kayong atat. Kasi that's what makes life exciting because of the things na hindi natin inaasahan. But I guess, tapos kapag may mga nilabas akong content sa TikTok or sa labas, kung ano man, gawin nyo gawin nyo rin. Yung butata, sayawin nyo yung butata. Butata! Watashi wasta! Player repetitive akimus pag-asa!
Muna na kami.
Okay. Bye-bye, ingat! Tag dito, ano yan? Yung tunga-tuwa kasi ako dun sa melody nung Watashi was Star. So, kinuha ko siya na Watashi was Star, player, repin etivac imus pag-asa kasi ako galing akong imus pag-asa. Repin etivac to. Star player ng etivac. Star player das bap din naman. Ano ba? 11:40 pa lang. Hayop talaga. Kanina pa ako nagsasalita. So, good luck naman sa exam namin. Good luck sa lahat na may mag-i-exam. Magmotor ka pa, uwi pa. Secret. Punta kayo sa Ilocos. Yung mga taga Ilocos. Ilocano. Come on, man. Samahan nyo ako. Come on, man. Let's sing. Watashi wasta? Player repetitive akimus pag-asa. 1, 2, 3, walang mentes mapapasya. Yada as in my blood vessel, di mo mababasa. Like, wow. Tanghaling tapat, laging nagbibilad. Kita na yung sando kahit paubad. Lang kapaguran kahit pa nababad. Gay magmalafind, o saka agad. Kasi ako ay... Lana tung atrasan delix, tikit lang ang laban at kung usapan sa bayan lalamon ka pang bigasan sa dami kong nang naiwan lanang dapat patunayan yun nga lang nagkainitan tas biglang nagflop kalaban. Charging! Number 14! Malas pa na turnover. Biglang tinawag ako ni coach dun sa my corner. Ano bang ginagawa mo? Chilang garage not over. Nagbasag bitan mabilis na sumabay sigaw madla. Bodada! Oh! Pangasinense. Mga Pangasinan, tama ba? Sa Pangasinan ba yung mangan? Hindi, Pampangan talaga yun. Alam kong alam mong mahal kita. Alam kong alam mong mahal kita. Ikaw lang, wala na iba. Di man sabihin ang iyong damdamin. Alam kong to'y magkaiba. Oh wow. kaibigan ko, di pagtanto kung anong sinasabi. Amada, tuwing ikaw ay tumitid sa pag-alam ng dagat, ikaw ay umapit. Ang tanong ngayon ay bakit sa kamay ko pa kumapit? Anong ibig sabihin? Ba't ganyan ang iyong tingin? Di na maalis sa isipan kong lahat ng to. Gabi-gabi ka nang gumugulo. Maaari bang sabihin kung ano ang sinasabi ng mga mata mo? Kinakagat ang dila hanggang mawala ang sakit na dulot ng realidad. Ano ba makanta? Makakanta niya, makakanta ng mga members. Yung kay Stel yung kahit tagal na akong nagtitimping magtapat, dinit hindi ko masabi ang tunay kong naramdaman. Nadarama pala na malilirik ni Pablo. Pakinggan nyo ha! Ano ba chord ng room? As soon as I set foot and try to make myself alive, I see your eyes, they glued in my happens all the time, and then you tell me that you're ready to chop a pie. My oh my, come on, get it. Babe, hope you're ready, 'cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say. Whoa! You'll find the answer. There's energy that's within me, will never let you escape. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flowing your body. Picture perfect movie, troubling thrills me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one living. Atin to chicken McDo, much malaki, much juicier, much crispier to. Better chicken McDo. Ano mo yun? Yun lang alam ko eh. Hindi ko sa ulo eh. Pero pinapakinggan ko naman yun. $11:46 naman. Maaga pa bukas man. Besides tour, maluy ka. Meron akong kinakanta recently. Ano bang kanta yun? Nakalimutan ko agad. Dang, son! Ano yung kinakanta ko? Biba Doobie. Hindi yung kay Biba Doobie. Kay Biba Doobie, hindi. Kay Siza ba yun? Whatever you, how am I supposed to know? Something with you, nobody gets me. Hindi, taas na yan. My God. Better but better, we should sex together and no mission level. Push kumbuto tero we do. Kung bibitaw ng may... Uy, maglalabas na ng album si Arturo eh. Kung bibitaw ng may nahunok ko pa'y lulubayan ng ating mga panganap na di na ayusin pa na lambing mga pangak. Pag kinakanta ko yung sining, nagagaya ako dun sa may content creator na ano eh. Yung ano. Knock! Knock! If the world is ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and our time on earth was through, I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile, smile. If the world is ending, I wanna be next to you. Oh, wow. Pinapakinggan ko ngayon si Chapel Roan. Napakalupit na artist niya, man. Pakinggan yan, man. Baby, why don't you come over? Red wine supernova falling into me. I don't care if you're a stoner. Red wine supernova. Meron siyang gustong kanta, Pink Pony Club. I mean, falling into me. Ano yung kanta ni Olivia Rodrigo? I got my driver's license last week. Just the virus which took about. You betrayed me, and I know that I'll never feel sorry for knowing I hurt. 10 minutes na lang, man. Kunti na lang. Wala na rin akong boses, man. Ano ko tinutugtog sa ganahan, sir, nito? Ah! For your call, I'm sick, call, I'm angry, call, I'm desperate for your voice. Listening to the song we used to sing in the car. You remember Butterfly, early summers playing on repeat, just like when we were me, like when we were me. I was born to tell you I love you. Ako ito naman, dami naman pinapakanta, iba-iba. Basta pakinggan nyo yung Laon album, the best album ever. Sabi ng tatay ko, paborito niya daw yung Blessed. Sabi niya, sa lahat ng naisulat kong kanta, ang pinamaganda, Blessed. Sabi niya yan. Oh, tinan niyo. Nasig na naman ako. If the world is ending, I wanna be next to you. I know you're somewhere out there. Paano yung G sa'yo? You back. And neighbors think I'm crazy, but they don't understand all I hate. In night when the stars light up my room, I sit by myself, talking to the moon. Still trying to get to you. In hopes you're on the other side, talking to me too, or am I a fool? Sit alone, talking to the moon. Oh, oh, oh. 5 minutes na lang, man. Cause every night I'm talking to the moon. Whoa, boy, yeah. Trying to get to your boy. Whoa, boy. Bakit ba ganito? Para bang isang misteryo. Oh, kaibigan ko. Meron akong paborito yung For the First Time. She's all laid up in bed with a broken heart. Ano yung lyrics mo? For the First Time lyrics. The script. She's all laid up in bed with a broken heart, while I'm being Jack alone in my local bar. And we don't know how we got into this bad situation. Only doing things out of frustration, trying to make it work, but man, these times are hard. She needs me now, but I can't seem to find a time. Yeah, got a new job now on the unemployment line, and we don't know how we got into this mess. Is it God's test? Someone help us, cause we're doing our best. Try to make it work, but man, these times are hard. You know we gotta stop by drinking all cheap bottles of wine. Drinking up cheap bottles of wine. Sit talking up all night. Then things we haven't for a while. smiling, but we're close to tears. Even after all these years, but just now got the feeling that we're meeting for the first time. May sequence, syempre pakinggan mo. 1, 2, 7, hello. We're going down, down in an alley around. Sugar, we're going down swinging. I'll be another one with the... Fuck. Sorry. Asan yung 8-track? Walang 8-track. Grabe naman kayo. Wala na ang boses. Uy. 2 minutes na lang, man. I have to go. Man. Oceans and legend. Napakalupit. Maganda sumulat dyan ni Nikki. Gusto ko yung line niya dun na, while you're running a liquor, my soul gets sicker. While you're wolfing down liquor, my soul gets sicker. My God, goodness. Ang ganda ng lyrics. Tsaka si Biba Doobie, yung pinapakinggan ngayon. Si Chaperone, tsaka si Biba Doobie. Yeah. 12 na, man. Bye-bye, man. It's time to go for all bop. You have to listen to my album and share your thoughts and everything. Share it to your friends, your families, your best friends, your lovers. Sa aso nyo, pakinig nyo. It will make the world better. I promise you guys. So, thank you so much for your support. Magkita-kita tayo sa Robinsons Ilocos sa 22 September, sa 29 naman sa Laguna. Oh my goodness. Ayan. Ayan. Salamat sa buhay nyo. Mag-ingat kayo parati. Babayu. Kasi 12 na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Pakasira ulo.